Morning, Judge.
Good morning, you're Dale Johnson.
I am.
And Ms. Johnson's three cases are set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. What is the announcement?
The announcement is not ready, Judge. The defense was notified late last week by the state that the state's come into possession of some video files that relate to our complaining witnesses. As of now, the defense has not had access to these videos. I understand that they may be Brady materials, and in order to provide effective assistance, we need time to analyze these videos, Judge.
And if I may, Your Honor, they were unexpected. They were delivered to our investigator.
Go ahead.
Who has been working to download them and so that we can make them available both to Mr. Price and also to me. I don't know what the contents are.
And where did they come from? I'm sorry.
From the mother of the complaining witnesses. And so I don't know if there's Brady material there.
Yeah.
I don't know what's there, but out of an abundance of caution, I notified Attorney Price, and we need to take care of that.
Okay. Obviously, I'm gonna let you guys do that. But if you'll let the family know, let everybody know, this is the final reset. Whatever comes up. These cases are some of the oldest on the docket, and they're going to go to trial the next time it's set. All right.
Sure.
Everybody needs to be prepared. But I'll give y'all some time to get that taken care of, and so that you can go over it with your client, and then we'll see you back at the next trial date.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. You're free to
Thank
go.
you, Judge.
Good morning. We need to get a, probably a court interpreter to go through all of this.
Okay.
I know we've used that, but I think for the plea, we used someone else, correct?
I don't know.
We brought someone down here. You've come and helped
Yes.
us interpret several times, but when we took the plea, actually last time we had someone else come help us, correct? Someone else came and did it. I don't. Can you see if Jennifer's available, please? Just because of the legal terminology on this one.
It was my brother, so when that came last time.
Okay, I just want to make sure we've got all the legal terminology down that I need to go over. If y'all will have a seat, I'm gonna get someone that can come interpret that works for the court, okay?
Yes.
Thanks. And then you have Fernando Flores, Mr. Makins is sentencing also. Good morning. Are you Clifton Bush Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Bush, this is your initial appearance in clause number 26, DCCR 0368. You're charged with the second degree felony offense of sexual assault of a child from February 17th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Okay, I got one.
I'm sorry,
I got one.
who do you have?
I don't know his name.
So when you were in custody, we automatically gave you a court-appointed lawyer. But when you bond out, I expect you to try to hire a lawyer. So what I'm going to do is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. All right, if you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They all have different payment plans. I want you to try to hire someone, so you need to talk to at least 3. If you don't get anybody hired, then you need to bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to when you come back, so that I know you've tried to hire someone, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Tevin Edmondson. And Mr. Edmondson, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
Speak, I can pay Wednesday, so I pay them.
Who are you going to hire?
I went to Brittany home because she was the cheapest, and spoke with Mr. Lincoln today because I had reached out to him last week, but he said he was out of town, so I both reached out to something today. So he told me to just go by his office, but Brittany home, and I want to check out Mr. Bacon and see what his price was. But Brittany home, she was the cheapest.
And then who was the other one?
Ryan Gertz.
Okay. All right, so you'll be able to get Ms. Holmes, you think, hired before that next court date?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you just a normal reset. Thank you for visiting with the attorneys. If you get her hired, just bring the reset notice to her. If for some reason you don't, then talk to at least 3 others. As you can tell, they all have different payment plans and charge different amounts, all right? Step in front of the clerk. Good morning. Are you Gabriel Cruz the third? And Mr. Cruz, this is your initial appearance in 2 cases. The first is cause number 26. DCCR 0373. And in that case, you are charged with the 3rd-degree felony offense of stalking from February 23rd of 2026. And then in cause number 26, DCCR 0374, you're charged with the 3rd-degree felony offense of violation of bond or protective order, and that is from February 23rd of 2026. And since you've made bond, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
I've tried, but I can't.
Okay, so are you working?
I lost my job, but I am trying to work on getting another job.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Cruz, is give you about 30 days to see a couple of things. One, since you've made bond in each of these cases, I expect you to try to hire a lawyer. So I want you to try to get someone hired before the next court date. If you do, just bring the reset notice that you get today, and then they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then I am ordering that you visit with at least 3 lawyers. Looks like you made some very large bonds on these, so I expect you to try to hire someone. 100,000 on one, and are they both 100,000?
Yes.
Okay, then you need to get a lawyer hired before that next court date. Again, if you cannot, you need to talk to at least 3. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to. Also, as a condition of your bond, are you wearing a GPS monitoring device? Okay, make sure you keep that charged on, and absolutely no contact or communication